around this corner. We're going to park it on the hill over here, just after the first driveway, along this curb. It's good curb judgment, yeah. What does Superman say before he takes off into the sky? It says up, up, and away, right?
Yeah.
Right now you're facing up. You're facing uphill.
Yeah.
The curb is up, and Superman says up, up, and away from the curb.
Okay.
Okay, into neutral. And then you let it roll. There we go. And you finish the maneuver. Into park. And engage your parking brake. There we go. That completes the maneuver.
See, I remember that. Another thing I learned is the word luck, left uphill curb. And then I just remember all the other ones because I know it's like downhill with the curb is right, and then there's uphill with no curb.
Yeah, it's always to the right, except when you're facing uphill with a curb.
Yeah.
If, by the way, if you forget to put it in neutral and let it roll, don't worry about it. They just want to see you turn the wheels the correct way.
Okay.
If you let it roll like that, it just impresses them. You won't gain points. You won't lose points if you don't. Okay. So don't worry about that if you forget.
Okay.
All right, we'll take off. One thing to remember is to straighten your wheels out though first.
Okay.
Just so that you're pulling away gradually from the curb instead of sharply. And signal left. And if they get you to do the downhill here, let's do that right along this curb. Boy, that sun's bright, eh?
Yes, it is.
Boom. Done. Perfect. Okay. Speed limit here along this roadway is 50, and it's wide enough that it is possible to do somewhere between 40 and 50.
Okay.
I'm just scanning the side roads way ahead of time.